Chris, I literally got goosebumps. You are my guilty pleasure.
Wow.
You really are my guilty pleasure. And I'm not the average of like taking random men home, but I would take you home. But like not in the way that Mark thinks. I just want you to stand there and sing to me. I want you to sing me to sleep. I just want you to stand there and just sing to me. Your voice is amazing. It's like butter. You were amazing. Well done, Chris. Zoe.
I genuinely didn't write down a single word then. That was absolutely mind-blowing. That was pitch perfect. It was my favourite performance, not only of yours yet, but of the evening, of this whole season so far. That was so incredible. And I can honestly say, I don't think I've ever heard that song, and there's no point in me listening to it now unless you were singing it. Like, honestly, I can't express how amazing that was. That was absolutely fab. Well done. You should be so proud.
And so,
That just made me fill up, it really did. I was close to being a weeping wreck by you. I don't think there are words that I could say to really capture what that performance meant to not just me, but I think to everybody in the room. I don't think there's anything I could say that could justify that performance. I remember watching Matt Carvey do that on the X Factor, and me and my husband were like, he's the best, and we wouldn't watch it after, but if you were next to him, you'd blow socks off him, you really would. It was just, I cannot find a word big enough, strong enough to sum up that performance. I could literally sit here and listen to you sing that on repeat.
You can try and top that next week.
Yeah, good luck with that. I've been doing this with Joey now for about 6 years, and I don't think I've ever seen a performance like that in the whole 6 years I've been doing it. Really, honest to God, that was one of the most amazing is just what a crap word to describe that performance. It was just off any chart. It was
thanks, Joey.
Chris, it's weird because the girls are giving you all these compliments, and it's very true, and I'm going to start it by saying, since the very first time we set this up, back in 2017, that is the most captivated I've ever been in anything I've ever seen across this board. I mean that, Chris, and that was so. When you got to that middle eight of that song and you went into those soprano notes where it builds, and I think for you personally, that's a part of your voice which you maybe don't use a lot of, so you're like, do you know what, I really got to push myself this week. That's where you need to be with your song choices. I'm telling you that because that is your trick, that is your gift. It was by far, like I said, I can't even say the best performance of the night. It was the best performance I've ever witnessed. Yeah. I feel a bit sick. I feel really emotional from it. It was, honestly, that was by any standard. When you got to that middle section, I was like, guys, be realistic. We're in Tredegar Rugby Club, alright? We're in Tredegar Rugby Club in the middle of Wales, and that just happened. This guy that I've never met in my life, and I got to meet in the last couple of weeks, just stood in a pub here, and had just done that. I'm telling you, but you're very, very special. Oh my God, and I can't wait to see what comes, not just from this competition, but after it. Honestly, keep doing what you're doing, Chris. That was, sorry for talking too much, guys, but I just want to add in, like, this week I selected Diva Week for all of you because I wanted you all to come out and show off your voices and that. And when you sent me this, I was thinking, this is quite subtle, it's not a thing. But do you know what, you tricked me so well, because that, I've never seen Diva Week done with so much elegance and so much class and so much rawness and realness, and that's exactly what you did, honestly, that. It was spectacular. You deserve billions of people watching you. That's what you deserve. Well done, Chris. Smashed it.